this field is huge. Cutting wheat in South Dakota, Hayes, South Dakota, in a 2,214 acre field. Cutting a field this big, you get a lot done. It's only 7:20. We've got this machine's cut 180 acres. Going kind of slow right now to let the other combines catch up so we can make it easier on the buggy. Got a little serious action going on. That's really nice. There's really not much to do. This thing auto steers, so just sit here and let it drive. And he's starting to get a little bit closer.